Hello students, class 8. In the first part video, we had discussed from coordinating conjunctions of contrast, and today we have topic that is coordinating conjunction of choice. Let's begin this topic discussions. Let us understand by an example. There are two examples that I have written. Before to start, let us understand about the meaning of coordinating conjunction of choice. It means that expressing a choice between two alternatives. That means two sentences where it is given, and that two alternative sentences by joining a such conjunction words which is basically used in the sense of choice. So how it is expressed in a sentence, to get to know through some of the examples. Here, attend to your lessons, leave the class. There are two alternative sentences. Attend to your lesson. Attend to your lesson is the alternative of leave the class. So these are the two sentences alternative to one another. So there is a choice, either attend to your lesson, or leave the class. Why it is so? There is a choice between these alternative sentences, because these statements is alternative to another statements. That's why either and or, this is pair of conjunctions, and this pair of conjunctions is called a correlative conjunctions. That's why it means that either attend to your lesson, या तो आप अपने पाठ पर ध्यान दो या क्लास से चले जाओ. It means, let us see another example. Hurry up. Write it, hurry up. You will be late for school. जल्दी करो. There is a something. It depends something like choice. जल्दी करना ना करना to a particular person. Here the person is denoting to someone. उसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है कि वो जल्दी करेगा तो वो जाएगा. उस पर डिपेंड करता है. So that's why it is some like similar as choice. So that's why hurry up. Otherwise, in place of otherwise you can write also else. Else, E-L-S-E, else you will be late for school. Hurry up, otherwise, either you can write otherwise or else, both the meanings are same. Hurry up, otherwise you will be late for school, or hurry up, else you will be late for school. जल्दी करो वरना स्कूल के लिए देर हो जाएगी. तो that's why it depends on a particular person who is going to schools. So that's why it is some kind of choice. So choice related conjunctions are or, either or, neither nor, otherwise or else. So in place of else you can write otherwise also. Both stand for the same meaning. This is pair of conjunctions which is called correlative, where there is either is used or is also simultaneously it will come. Where is negative statement neither, there also nor will be followed. Now next topic, coordinating conjunction of reasoning. So what does it means? It means that one statement or fact inferred from another. That means एक सेंटेंस से दूसरे सेंटेंस के बारे में वो बताता है. तो some kinds of information it is given why it is so. So that's why in another statements we can say that suggest the result or reason for something. Result that means परिणाम या कारण. The action, why it is so. The action of the result in a sentences. It shows. तो ऐसे को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ऑफ रीजनिंग. Let us understand by some of the example. Let me take leave of you. I am getting late. Let me take leave of you. I am getting late. How we will write? Let me take leave because I am getting late. So here is let me take leave of you. It is inferred to the another statements, that is I am getting late. Why I want to take a leave from him? Because I am getting late. So this is inferred from one sentence to another sentence. That's why there is reason of leaving. Because is the conjunctions that join the another statements. We respect here also. We respect her. She is very sincere. So there is a reason why we respect her. क्यों हम लोग उसको respect करते हैं? तो there is a reason. So that's why here we respect her. क्या चीज है? For she is very sincere. For either you can use for, as or since, or because also it may comes. So both the meanings are the same for showing the or so expressing the reason. So that's why it is for is used for coordinating conjunction of reasoning. So we have related conjunctions of coordinating of reasoning, that are because is equal to, that means as, since, for. These three also the meaning of because. It also shows about the reason, that is in Hindi we call kyunki. So I hope that you understood whatever we had discussed today related with this coordinating conjunctions. Their parts of conjunctions that we had discussed in earlier part 1 videos and in this part 2 videos. And in the next video I will upload related with subordinating conjunctions. Till then, goodbye and take care. Before to go or disconnect my videos, there is a homework related with this discussion, that are exercise 1 and exercise 2 of page number 100 and 101. Again I am repeating, again I am saying that exercise 1, exercise 2, that are page number 100 and 101. So this much for today. See you in the next topic discussion of subordinating conjunctions. Till then, goodbye. And also if you have any confusion in our topic discussions, you may contact in my WhatsApp number by sending the messages, so that I will upload related next video for to solve your confusions. Till then, goodbye, take care.